Good day everyone. Our capstone title is Windows and Android Application, Sales and Inventory System of Urban Silog. I, Adun Elinitz, Lazo Emanuel, and Santa Ana Fran Sebastian are the researchers. Urban Silog is a small restaurant called Tapsihan in Pinagbuhatan, Pasig City. Urban Silog is selling different meals, drinks, and dessert. The owner itself is the one who runs the business, and we, the researchers, observe their business. And we gather some problems that the Urban Silog is facing. Businesses save time by using Windows and Android application, inventory and sales system to expedite transactions while improving accuracy, as it is simple to confirm the amount of money and the timing of transactions. They also make it possible for consistent customer service interactions. The business does their physical counting of stocks manually. Technically, Urban Silog is only using a manual system that may cause duplication of documents and work redundancy. The business is just depending on their manual listing of products and inputs of data. The proponents' proposed system for Urban Silog can do product transactions, create an account, file, and product maintenance. The system will be created using an offline system, a window and Android application system, all of which do not require an internet connection to function but need to have same local network. Only the super admin and the owner has the right to access the system. It also generated QR code for payment method but cannot transact with the use of credit cards. Conceptual framework of the study. It covers the three major parts, namely input, process, and output phases, wherein input shows the data gathered that will be used to provide answers to specific objectives of the study. The processes involved in the study were the coding, revisions, and analysis of articles. After careful analysis of the findings of the study, the researchers conceptualized the output of the study, which is the Windows and Android application, sales and inventory system of Urban Silog that the researchers established as a sign of response resolving the problems of the study. Urban Silog system architecture. The crucial elements needed to run the application are the computer, router, and the device, shown in the image. The router serves as the link between the device and the computer, which is controlled by the designated administrator. The device needs to be linked to the same network as the computer in order to run the application. Otherwise, the data will be compromised.
Good day! I am Fran Sebastian. I am Santa Ana. I'm here to discuss our prototype in Windows application. In our login form, you can see the logo of the company with two text box and which accept username and password, and two buttons which is login and cancel. While in our dashboard form, there is a menu bar which contain different tabs like dashboard, products, stock, etc. And we also display the company logo and critical stock, daily sales, total products, and stocks on hand. Product tab, you can see the product list. It also have category tab under the product. In stock tab, under stock entry, you can see two modules which is stock in and stock in records. Under in stock tab, there is also stock adjustment. In supplier tab, you can see the list of supplier of the company. Under record, you can see inventory which contains two modules, critical stock and inventory list. Also in record tab, you can see sales record. Under setting tab, you can see user, which contains three forms, that is creating account, changing password, and updating account properties. Also, under setting tab, you can see store, wherein you can update or modify store details.
Hi, my name is Emmanuel Eslazo, and I'm here to present to you the prototype of our Android application. When you open the Android application, it will go to the home page. After clicking the open button, it will go to the dashboard of the menu. After clicking one order, it will pop up some information like price, name, and description. If you want to add in the cart, just click punch. If you get all the order of the customer, you can now click punch in order to save in the database. If there is a problem in the list of orders, you can edit it by simply clicking edit. And if you want to discount the customer, just simply click discount and type how many discount are you want to give. If the customer wants to pay via GCash or Paymaya, just click GCash or Paymaya to pop up the QR and scan it to the customer.
Good day, I am Fran Sebastian M. Santa Ana, and I am here to show you how our Windows application works. First, you need to log in. and you will see an alert box. And after you log in, you will see our dashboard, and also the critical stocks will be pop up, and later it will be closed automatically. And let's go in product list under product. And under product list, you can see our products that Silog offers. And in category, you will see different categories of meals and products that Silog offer, which is dessert, drinks, meals, and their add-ons. Now, let's go in stocks. And under in stock, you will see stock adjustment, wherein you can add or remove from stock on hand. Let's say, for example, bibingka. You would like to add bibingka, for example, 5 pieces, and then delivery. Then click save. And then you will see that bibingka was added. Let's go in stock entry, where you can order from supplier like Melchor Meat Shop, and then click here to browse product, and let's go buy some chicken. Yes, close. And then don't forget to add quality. How many chickens are you going to buy in Melchor Shop? Then entry, yes. And then you will see the history of stock in stock in records. Just simply click load record, and you can see chicken 5 and order date. And now let's go to supplier, where you can see the supplier list of Urban Silog. And then under record, you can see 2 sub button, which is inventory. And in inventory, you can see the inventory list, and then critical stock. We don't have data here because there are no products that has 0 or 1 stock. So it's a blank list now. And then sales record. And when you click the view all, you can see the transaction, all of the transaction that were made. And you can see total. And if you click view sales and choose the date to day, you will see the transaction that made today. And then if you go to settings, you can modify the store details. And under user, you can create account, change password, and see different accounts and change their properties. And that's all. And after you use the application, you can simply click log out, and yes, and you were direct in login form. Thank you.
Good day everyone, it's me again, Emmanuel Eslazo, presenting to you the sales application of Urban Silog. So let's open the Android application. Click open to go to the dashboard. Here is the menu of Urban Silog. They have 3 categories, which is meals, drinks, and dessert. They also have a extra egg and extra rice. So let's say the customer wants to buy a bang silog. So if the customer's gonna pay by a cash on hand, we can punch it to save it into the database. So let's look into the database. So click sales record, click the date today, and view sales. So as you can see, there's a new record here. So the next customers wants to buy a hot silogs via GCash payment. So proceed to the tab, then click GCash, then wait for the payment of the customers. The customers scan the QR so that he can pay the amount. So let's check again. So as you can see, the payment is received by the GCash owner. So we can now save it into the database. So click OK. So let's look at into the database. Click sales. So as you can see, there's a new record here. So let's go to the inventory. So as you can see, the bibingka has a quantity of 0. So meaning the super admin or the cashier cannot punch bibingka since there is no stock. The tocino has a 7 stock. So let's say the next customer wants to buy a 7 tocino. It's total of 8, so we're gonna remove it by simply editing. Click the number so that we can remove. There's a 7, then click punch. So let's look at into the sales record. Click the date today. There. Then let's go to the inventory. So as you can see, there is no quantity of tocino now. So meaning we cannot punch now Silog. The concept of GCash payment is also same with Paymaya. So lastly, we're gonna discount the customer. So let's say she will gonna buy 2 chick silog. So click discount. Select how many percent discount. So before discounting, we need to tell it to the owner so that he can verify whether the customers are accessible in the discount promo. So the owner should input her password. So click discount. As you can see, the total amount is now being reduced. So click punch and it will gonna save it into the database. Here. So that's all. Thank you.